How to duplicate clips in CapCut in your PC. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open CapCut in your PC. Once you open the CapCut, go ahead and import the video. And once you import the video, go ahead and drag it to your timeline. So in order to duplicate the video, let's go ahead and tap on the video. And let's say I would like to duplicate this part. For that, you want to go ahead and press Ctrl plus B in your keyboard, or you can simply tap on this icon that says split. So let's say I would like to duplicate this very clip. For that, you want to go ahead and right click onto it and then simply tap on copy right over here. Or you can just simply press Ctrl plus C in your keyboard. So now that you have copied the clip, go ahead and press Ctrl plus V in your keyboard, or you can simply right click on the timeline and then tap on paste. And just like so, we have duplicated a clip in the CapCut. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.